Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 10 how to delete a video on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application called GRIDS, and then go to the navigation bar which is on top, click on the profile, navigate to the post, which is the video. In this case, click on the video, go to the bottom right corner, and where it says delete, click on this. Do you really want to delete this video? Yes. Refresh the page again. As you can see, the video has now been deleted. Go to Safari, navigate to instagram.com/your profile name, and the video has been removed offline of Instagram. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.